got the attraction today and he won an applaud because of his tag, his definite tone and choice of words. Being a media person, it came to effective communication does have an impact, and he is an example right now here, and it can definitely. And if you actually take a photograph of this, how to be, the iMessages, sincere apologies, the methodologies to be assertive is already here. Now people are in their behavior. I started today's workshop by telling that all of us are difficult people to somebody. I said it is us. I started today's whole workshop by telling it is us. We can be difficult for people, and we can be a gem to another person, because there is a stimulus, there is a response, there is a conditioning that has happened, there is a schema according to psychology. We would have got exposed to certain things, and so we will be like that. It doesn't mean black. Somebody whom X has lent money, okay, has cheated. So he thinks that if I lend money, I will be cheated. Now the fifth person is going to be an excellent person with highest integrity. Okay, he will come and he will become a tanker to me. What do you think? You all have no other job except to come and borrow money from me. Okay? Now this fellow will be so innocent. I don't have a track record of misbehaving, or I've never been a person who will not return my thing. What happened? Why is this person so angry with him? So please understand, if you start taking any tanker personally, you can go to an asylum. It is actually them, it is not you. So don't start associating every tanker to be only hitting you, and don't behave like angry, but not becoming angry. Empathy is just understanding the other person's emotion, not reducing your emotion to their level. That's not empathy. And இவர் கோவமா இருக்காரு, இப்ப போனா எனக்கு வந்து மம்மி கிட்ட பெர்மிஷன் கிடைக்காது. That much of empathy we have to have that. And people demonstrate patterns of behavior is nothing but schema. Please understand, this has a different connotation in this context, that like I have had, if you have few difficult people in your social circle, if you have Ram sir was telling that you need some intensive interaction with people before you can actually judge, definitely they will be exhibiting certain patterns of behavior. I don't mind disclosing that sometimes I can get angry, and Dad knows that. Okay? He will be absolutely calm that time, because these are very stray occasions. But he knows that, yes, that situation, Gigi will be upset, but then she'll be fine. That is how you deal with people. Okay? You understand, once you know them for 1 or 2 years, you will know that they will exhibit certain patterns of behavior, and you can adjust your behavior according to that pattern. How is this helping means, if you observe people very carefully and know that what is their kind of personality, how do they communicate, what is their choice of behavior, and how do they react in various situations, you will find a singular pattern. You will find patterns of behavior. Whether you like it or not, I may be good to him, I may be bad to him. I'm not telling that, that is going to be a pattern. But if you are in the same organization and if you are in the family, you will know that, yes, in this situation, my husband will be like this. This is the best capability under stressful conditions. This is how my child will behave under this condition. You will know the schema, you will know the pattern of behavior, and you can adjust yourself, your communication according to that. So this is what it means. So coping up strategies to understand the pattern of behavior and know that. Let me tell you something. The know-it-all is, if it is shallow, you have to counter them by giving the latest information that happened today in the newspaper. They'll be bombarded. This know-it-all, the shallow kind, they actually don't know much of information. You start bombarding them with 3-4 informations which you would have just seen in the net or in your iPhone, they'll keep quiet. Domination is the strategy. Know it. The shallow people should be dealt with that. But the real know-it-all, the eccentric geniuses who will talk only their subject. My dad, 80% of what he can speak is only agriculture. If you talk to him, he is so passionate. It's called heutology. See, pedagogy is the way you train children. TED. Andragogy is what I am right now doing. This is adult learning. We do it only. A real know-it-all. Take them as your mentor. Take them as your mentor. And that will satisfy their ego, and you can learn so much from them because they are real know-it-alls. how to handle such, they are difficult people. You mean to say they are not difficult? The know-it-all and experts, you think it's easy to access them? Go and try getting PhD from a guide. You'll know. They will be know-it-all and you have to be an apprentice for them, and when you job shadow from very, very authentic people, they can give you a tough ride. But then, if you make them a mentor, you can gain a lot. You can really gain a lot. So that is what is handling. You know, snipers, you need to be extremely confident and have effective questioning skills. Now, if they put you down, and if you're going to be passive and take all their nonsense, you will have no identity in your organization. You have to confront them. Snipers have got to be confronted. Why did you have to say this? For many years, managers are leaders, managers are task-oriented, leaders are people-oriented. Yes, you have to find out again a pattern of behavior. In MBA lesson, answer, so you have to find out. For task-oriented people, if they are obsessed about task, if my boss is obsessed about task, I will speak only task to them. Now, that's what it is, a coping up strategy. My boss, like how they said, no, receiver-centered. Who gave that example, sweetheart? One of you gave an example about receiver-centered communication. Yes, it was Tamil only. Nena example kutta, sweetie? Alibi. So, anga judge vanda alibi nu sonna odane ivaru alibi use panni similarity. People like similar. Know the law of similarity. Neengalum cook, naanum cook. Neengalum vadava. Hey, neenga Telugu, naanum Telugu. Okay, we love this. Okay. Similarity. So to cope up, we need to have some sort of a similarity, and coping up is.
When you do make kadikana, you can say you are also human.
Super Satish. Okay, he was my student 13 years back. Okay, balance is the key, and of course, tanks pathingana. Can you put off a fire, putting more fire? Fire, how do you counter fire? Water, ice, what else? Definitely not fire, no? Definitely not fire, right? Then you cannot be angry with an angry person. That's very simple logic. Aggressiveness and anger and tankers are fire. You need to melt down to take care of such difficult behavior. What's the point in you also trying to the kerosene utra maridan? Then you will get. We call, common sense is not so common. We have to use the common sense, and we have to see the common, the factor and the context, and then we must see and flex our behavior. It is always receiver-centered communication. Okay, so congratulations for investing your time today. I am so happy. I thank Captain R. Vijay Kumar, the Executive Director, and Madras Management Association, Satish, Revati, who are instrumental, and my dear sweetie Chirag, please stand up. He is representing MLA. Did you speak to parents and say it's getting late?
Yeah, I messaged them.
You messaged them? Okay. Last time also he stayed for a longer time and his parents started finding, what happened, why hasn't he come back? Whatever it is, parents are parents, isn't it? It's wonderful to have had you. So let me give you 3 sheets, and in case you have not had your snack, I think I have something there. You can have in case you came in straight to the gate. Once again.